And what do you know? I swing around long enough, and my new upgraded spider sense points me towards a fragment. Definitely sensing something from inside the, jungle room? Hey, look at that. If it isn't Mr. Tablet Fragment, right there waiting for me to grab it. Which can only mean one thing. It's... trapped! Gotcha! That wasn't so bad, actually. Oh, come on!
Rest now, my prey. Save your strength. For when you awake, we begin the hunt.
Kraven, that maniac. Where is he taking me this time? What horrible death trap will I have to overcome? Hey, this is a pretty nice view, actually. Okay, let's see where this goes.
Whoops! Welcome, Spider-Man. Welcome to the jungle. This rock, it holds great power, no? I could use it to crush you, like a bug.
That wouldn't be very sporting of you, would it?
Ah, you speak a great truth. Let it be your prize, then. If you can survive my gauntlet. Your powers against my skills. Your brain against mine. Come, enter my game of death. Claim your trophy, if you dare. Come, my friend. Do not delay! The grim hunt! Hurry! Hurry!
So you want me to run through the jungle? Should I not look back?
Do not mock me, Spider-Man!
Wow, you're awfully touchy for a guy who wears leopard print pants. Keep your tights on, I'm coming.
Come, come! We have only scratched the surface!
Seeing you so excited is creeping me out.
Yes, there is much for you to experience here. Traps, long-range weapons, and of course, hand-to-hand combat.
How cute! You put together your own boy band.
My disciples. They've come to study at the foot of the master, to learn the art of the hunt from the greatest hunter of all.
And the most modest.
You dare mock me in front of my students.
No, in front of your boy band.
Men, remember what I have taught you. Strike hard, strike fast, and show no mercy.
Yeah, let's see if you've got what it takes. Next! Stop hitting your face with my fist!
Hey, no hitting!
Not bad, if I do say so myself.
It seems my men have not proved much of a challenge for me.
Are you kidding? Those guys were brutal. They barely survived.
Really?
Kapow! Who's having a good time? Raise your hand. That was the best you could do? Spider-Man, that's what I do. You're done.
For Kraven! For the thrill of the hunt!
Hey, you talk like
Active
it too.
evasion
Lions
is
head best
crucial
for
when
everything.
being attacked. Roll out of the way.
Take that! Look at me go!
Come! The jungle still holds many surprises.
I'm sorry, were you saying something?
Wait for him to come within range. When you have the shot, take it!
I guess this begins the bullet dodging portion of the festivities. See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya.
The blood pounding in your veins. The thrill that rouses the hair on your neck. That makes a drumbeat of your heart.
I did feel that, but I thought it was something I ate.
Try a web strike on this one.
Ooh, is this a private fight or can I join it? Who's having a good time? Raise your hand. See ya.
Look at that suit! No winning! What a crazy suit!
Look at me go. You don't look so good. Spider sense. Fiery spear. Point taken. Another boy band? Are you guys gonna sing for me? Ooh, is this a private fight or can I join it? Thanks for playing. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. I'm Spider-Man. That's what I do. I break pots. Who's having a good time? Raise your hand.
Spider-Man, lights out first! There he is!
You don't look so good. And some for you. Nice warm-up, guys. Thanks. I win again. Got your nose.
You are on the good road.
See ya. I know Kraven, this place will be loaded with traps. Gotta stay alert. Oh, what did I just say? Yikes! Don't think it's gonna work. Gonna have to find another way. Oh, come on! Sorry, I'm allergic to bullets. They ruin my complexion.
You cannot dodge forever.
Bob. Say uncle. Who's having a good time? Raise your hand. Score.
This shot will fail.
Take that! Kraven, you maniac!
No!
Next!
You shall not escape. Get!
First come, first served! Bob. Next!
Outrageous. You are lucky. That is all. No!
To be fair, I've also done this. And we're off. First come, first served.
Got the base!
Next.
Don't.
I'll keep dishing it out if you keep taking it. Oh, I am good.
You test my patience. Get!
There's been a misunderstanding. I paid my library cards.
There. And now. There.
Say uncle.
I have you in my sights. Can you dodge this time?
Bingo, bango, bongo. Not bad, if I do say so myself. Don't crowd now. You'll all get your turn. I promise. Not bad, if I do say so myself.